I decided to take it off because it was just such a mess. But I wanted to go through the last item with you, which is from Steve Laurent. It is their jelly highlighter in shade Prosecco Please. I've never used Steve Laurent before, so this is going to be an adventure. So this was $26. It says this jelly highlighter formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. Ooh, that's interesting. I've never used a water resistant highlighter before either, so that's going to be interesting. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush or simply dab it on with your finger for an effortless glow. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, before I break it. Ooh, it's very creamy. I'm gonna swatch that too. It glides right on my skin. Wow. So it goes on looking a little heavy, but when you smooth it out, it's nice. Gives it a little glimmery glow, which I like. Okay, let's see. This side I can totally see, I guess from the lighting, the way the lighting, my ring light hits my face. And this side's nice too. Oh, there it is. This is really pretty. Can you see it? I would give this box a, let's see, what did I not like? I mean, I'm not a big fan of lip liner to begin with, but that's just me. I can't really knock it because it's not really my thing. But I like everything in this box. I would give it a 5. Or a 4, 4.5, 5, 5. I would recommend BoxyCharm to just about anybody. So thank you again for tuning in with me and my BoxyCharm box. If you like my video or my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Either this side or this side, I don't know which one. I think it's this side. But this is you, it would be this side. Click on the alert bell so that every time I post a new video, you will be alerted immediately. And also follow me on social medias and feel free to use all my promotional codes that I have included on my channel. Like it if you like it. If you don't like it, you also don't like it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. What can I say? So thank you again for stopping by, and I hope you like this video. Bye. See you all soon.